Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not reset password TikTok unrecognized device. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to reset your TikTok account password, you see an error that you cannot reset your password TikTok unrecognized device. So let's see some possible fixes. The very first thing, you just have to try to update your TikTok app. Then you have to open your TikTok app and here just have your profile option in the bottom right. And here this happens horizontal lines in the top right, and here select help center, and here select see more under account section, and here just tap on login, then select forgot my password. Now in this section you just have to scroll down and look for this report a problem option. So you can also get help using this method. Here you can see there's a step-by-step guide how can you reset your password, or you can directly select this report a problem option to report a problem if you're unable to reset your password, because sometimes there might be any glitch with TikTok server to recognize the device. So you must have to try to report a problem to fix your issue. So let's say I'm gonna select a topic here, select account access and security, then select a subcategory. So I'm going to select login issue, and here you'll also get the forgot my password option or something else, but I'm gonna select this. Here you just have to enter your username, then you have to enter your sign up date. If you remember, you can easily enter your sign up date. Then you have to enter your sign up region, in which region you have signed up, and then you have to also enter your linked email or phone number. Then you have to enter the device name you last used to log in your account. You can also try to enter your linked account. If you have any linked account, it might be your Facebook, Messenger, your Instagram or Twitter, you can add it here. Or you have to also enter additional email or contact email. So you have to enter the email which you have access or upon which you can get information. So once you have entered the email, just enter additional details. You have to tell TikTok that you have forgotten your password, or it will say that you cannot reset your password or something like that. Then you have to also check these marked, then tap on submit option. You can also upload a screenshot of the error if you have. And once you have submitted your report, TikTok will send you a reply on your additional email which you have added, like contact email, and TikTok can directly send you a link using that you can easily reset your account password. TikTok can guide you how can you reset password without any error. So in this way your issue must have to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next video, bye bye.